It's Sunday of Memorial Day weekend, and it has been raining nonstop since, I don't know, Thursday? But it's not raining right now. It's not warm. It's not sunny, but Mary and I would like to go out for a little bit and take these bad boys up on plane, which it's been forever since we've been able to do that. So this is kind of our, what do you call it?
Shakedown cruise.
Thank you. This is like a shakedown cruise. All right, so let's go.
Let me know when you're ready.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice and easy.
Right, I'm on.
All right, we are officially underway together.
Woohoo!
I'm a bit exhausted. I think both of us are tired. But we grabbed the boat on Friday evening, and then what else did we do? Exhausted thinking about it. So we made it a work weekend, even though Memorial Day, unofficial opening of summer, yay. But it's been raining nonstop, as it probably was by where you guys live, most likely, if you're on the eastern seaboard at all. Non-stop rain. So we drained the oil in both engines. We changed the oil filter in both engines. Had to buy an oil filter. But I thought I had engine oil on board. It turns out I did not. So I had to wait till Sunday today to add oil. We did drain the oil in the generator. We changed the oil filter in the generator. And the engines sound great to me. They sound really good. And so hopefully, we go up on plane and not experience overheating, which would be amazing because it's been so long since we've been able to do that. It's very dreary. It's like 62 degrees or something like that. There's hardly any wind right now, but when we go up on plane, I'm sure it'll feel really cold. Also took the time to clear out. My dock box was filled with crap, awful, terrible. So I made sure I threw out what I could of the dock box. And down below the dinette, there's just stuff everywhere. Oh, that was it. There's been a lot of water. So we found water in the dinette, and so we're gonna have to deal with that. There's always a surprise, and our surprise was that the forward outlets are not working, none of them. So I'll have to begin troubleshooting that. That'll be in a video coming up. But for now, we're gonna just try to go up on plane and call it a successful day. We spent the night on the boat on Friday night, but we got a hotel for 2 nights because there was no way we were gonna, it was just pouring, nonstop. I'm really grateful that the Admiral helped so much doing what we need to do. Take a look at the temperatures. All right, we're gonna take this up on plane. Getting high. little steamy. I don't know if it's just working off steam. Felt like they were getting hot. So let's check the engines down here. Any smoking? All right, I'm gonna go up on plane again. I'm gonna leave this open. Can you film down there? All right, we ran those pretty hard for, I don't know, 15 minutes maybe? So I want to check the temperatures. Manifolds. All right, 120s. Oh, this one's hot. Why is that 160? Okay. All right. All right, so the port is definitely hotter than the starboard. And just the starboard side of the port engine is hot. Not dangerous, but it's hotter than I want it to be, especially because the other ones are much lower than they were before. That makes no sense to me. Okay, we're done, so we're gonna go in.